Welcome to Eat, Pray, Plan. I'm Rebecca. I'm a wife, a homeschool mom to two adventurous boys, and I plan our lives one sticker at a time. In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks that have helped me plan a happy life in hopes that they can help you too. So if you want to see how I do that, come plan with me. I'm so happy that you're joining me for this video. I have something really exciting to share with you today. So let's get started. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, I was part of the Happy Planner squad for their term that started in June 2019 and it ended June 1st, 2020. So as part of the Happy Planner squad, we received certain products to review and share with you. So I was able to get one of the new customizable planners. So it is right here. It just arrived. I just peeked in because I wanted to see what the theme is, what the theme of the planner was. And oh my goodness, I am so excited for this planner. Okay, so let's open it up. Okay, so as you can see, if you do order the customizable planner, it will come in this beautiful pink disc box. They are available already to order on the website, so I will link all the information below. Okay, so look at this. Okay, so I did receive a very cute thank you card from Hannah, which I'm gonna set aside. And then this is what comes in the packet and how it's packaged. So first you will receive this little card that says one of a kind, just like you. And here it says, let's put it together. And it just gives you the information of the Happy Planner website, their Instagram, Facebook, and then, oh, here it says, follow our assembly instructions at thehappyplanner.com/pages/happy-customized. So yeah, I totally did not check that out. So we will have to figure this out together, but I don't think it's going to be that complicated. So let's get to it. Okay, so first it comes with the cover, and you guys, if you have been around for a while, you know that I am a die-hard farmhouse lover. So when I saw that the theme for this customizable planner was farmhouse, I was so excited. Okay, so let me move this a little bit to the side and let's see this planner. Okay, so it comes with both covers. So you pick a theme. And I believe there's wild style, there's farmhouse, there's a couple of other themes that you can pick, and you can also pick the font that you want to put. But then I believe that they decide kind of like the sizing depending on the cover that you choose. So like I mentioned before, this is the farmhouse. The back is just like the original farmhouse of the front cover, and then let's see the back cover. It's the same, this beautiful floral pattern. Okay, so let's see the layout. So this is the welcome page, and then hold on, let me move this a little bit more. Let me put it here on the floor. Okay, yeah, that's better. It was too cramped. Okay, so the insides of the planner are all neutral because then that way you can, it will match regardless of the theme that you choose. So it comes with the perpetual calendar. It does start in July and it is a 12-month planner, so it ends in June. And then it starts with the currently page or the dashboard page, and these are the dividers. So they are very similar, if not the same, to the ones that came in the second farmhouse book. I think it was called Homestead, right? So these are the dividers. This is one of my favorite dividers. This is November. And don't worry, we are going to put this together so you guys can see how to build it in case you've never put a happy planner together. And then February, March, April, May, and June. This one's so pretty. Okay, so now you have the cover with the dashboards. Let's see what else comes in it. Next is, let's see. So next we have the set of discs. This is empty. And here we have the rest of the planner. Let me just double check. Oh, and this little thing that I believe when I saw Hannah doing the first unboxing, she called it a jig. So this, for those of you who don't know, it's called a jig. So this is a plastic little contraption thingy, and it will help you put together your planner. So let's figure this out. Okay, so now this includes the actual planner. So the insides, and it is for 2020, and it is horizontal. Yay! Okay, it's a neutral horizontal planner. So we are going to put it together because everything inside is the same. And the reason why they did it like this is because then everything would, regardless of the covers that you chose, it would match the inside because it's neutral, it's black and white. Okay, so let's put this planner together. I received these beautiful watercolor discs. So these I've never seen. They are so pretty. They are red and they have a little bit of white, and they are plastic, but they're so pretty, and look how beautiful. They look great with this planner. Okay, so it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It comes with 11 discs. That's great. Okay, so let's put this planner together. I'm gonna use this little jig, even though if you have practice and you've been a happy planner for a while, you can definitely set it up without this this little jig here. Okay, so first we're going to put both covers. Okay, we got the front cover, and now let's do the back. Okay, so let me divide this, and I'm going to put it on either side right here so I don't get confused. Okay, so let's see. Let's put the cover, and then we have the other one. So this is the 2020, 2021, and then we'll put in the perpetual calendar. I have done a few Franken planners in my Happy Planner lifetime, so it's pretty easy for me to put this together, but you want to do it slowly, because when I first started Franken planning and just mixing pieces together, I would get confused. So let's start here with July. So this is the dashboard for July, and then you turn it and you have the left side of the monthly, and here you have the right side. And then you have the weekly. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. There you go. So what I did with July is what you're going to do with the rest of the year, and you will have your planner together. This is so cool. I love that it's neutral. It does have very light, I would say it's like a burgundy color of little specks, but they're very, very light. You can barely see them. Okay, so I'm gonna put the rest of the planner together. Okay, so we are at the end of putting this planner together. We got all 12 months inside, and now I'm gonna show you a little quick flip so we see the planner all together. So I did decide to get rid of the little jig in the middle of the process because I felt that it was just getting in the way. So for me personally, I don't need this to put the planner together. But here it is. Look how beautiful this planner looks. I love it. Look how pretty it looks with the red. I want to say that it's like a dark pink, but leaning more towards red. So if you are familiar with this planner, the Homestead planner, it's definitely a perfect match with the flowers here. So I have seen that some people are a little confused with the way that the cover is put together. And I was a little bit apprehensive when I saw it in the video because we are used to having the whole cover all the way up here. So towards including where the discs fall. But now that I have it in person, honestly, it looks really nice because the back of the page, so it's not white, at least not in this one. In the farmhouse, it's not white. It is actually this little textured design. So I love the way it looks. I really, really like it. I thought that I was gonna be a little bit turned off when I saw these little, the clear middle part of the planner, but nope, it looks so pretty. So if you were a little bit apprehensive about that, I'm here to tell you that it is not a big deal at all. Okay, so let's do a quick little flip just to make sure that all the pieces are good. Look how pretty it looks with the cover. I love that it's neutral. It is so pretty and it goes so well together. So yep, everything is placed the right way. So then it's all the same and they all have the little notes section here at the bottom. And then you flip to August. I love this new idea. Look how pretty this looks. It's neutral with the beautiful farmhouse dividers. Wow, look at this. I love the way this looks. This has always been one of my favorite designs, and these flowers are from Botanicals and they're so pretty. This looks so nice. And then March, April, May, and June. And then you have at the end of the planner a notes page. And then that's it. So this is the Farmhouse Customizable Planner by the Happy Planner. They are available now to purchase on their website, and I will link all the information in the description box below. At this moment, I am not aware that they're being sold at any of the craft stores because obviously they have to be customized at the warehouse. So I don't know if later on they will just sell, you know, just like the neutral guts of a planner, but that would be really cool, wouldn't it be? So there you go. This is the Farmhouse Customizable Planner. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. I share new videos every weekend. See you next time. Have a good one. Bye.